Hello everyone, in this video I will tell you about the network problem in your device POCO C40. So if in this device you are having any problem related to the network, like your network is slow or not working properly, you can fix it by the methods I will show you. You have to follow the steps and watch complete video and you will learn how you can fix the network problem in your device. Before that, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you can get new videos. Now let's watch it and fix your network issue.